Understanding, Bear Comparison, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English phrases, specifically the phrase, bear comparison. This phrase might sound a bit puzzling at first, but don't worry, we're going to explore its meaning and usage together. Get ready to enrich your English vocabulary and comprehension. The phrase, bear comparison, refers to the ability to withstand a comparison with something else. In simpler terms, it means that two things are similar enough that you can compare them to each other. This phrase is often used when discussing similarities or evaluating the qualities of different things. Let's see how this phrase works in actual sentences. 1. Her singing skills certainly bear comparison with the best in the industry. 2. These two products bear comparison in terms of quality and price. In these examples, bear comparison is used to indicate that the subject's singing skills or products are comparable in certain aspects. This phrase is particularly useful when evaluating similarities between two entities, highlighting comparable qualities in different subjects, making a point about the relatability of two different things. Be cautious not to use bear comparison when the subjects are completely different and have no common ground for comparison. You want to emphasize contrast rather than similarity. Bear comparison is a handy phrase to articulate similarities and comparable qualities in English. It's a great addition to your vocabulary, especially when discussing or analyzing different subjects. Hope this video has shed light on this interesting phrase. Happy learning, and see you in our next English language adventure.